Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry about late return, although it doesn't look like we've had a trade yet. Quick risk disclosure as required. This room is for educational and information purposes only. It is not to be considered individual financial advice. All right. Okay, 1032. I might have gotten into the short there. That would have been unfortunate. But nothing since that. Now, unleaded, 1032. Let's see, 1030. Not much of a reaction, just kind of. And then about 1032 went flying up higher. And that one's off the table, and short didn't trigger. So here is your 1035. Here's your first trade on unleaded. 5906. And that blasts through target one, actually all four targets, and looks like stops out at 5979 from 5906. So 73 ticks on the trailer, 42 or 66 on the fixed target. Nine seconds on the first bar. Probable entry. 377 tick. Well, that came up a minute and 20 seconds in. That actually is a valid trade. So 377 tick counterpunch has hit its target 2, 50 ticks, and is trailing at 59. "15-second bar." Don't know how quickly it moved back up, but nasty little trade, unfortunately. And no new trades, so unleaded is complete. Claude, what were you trading? What chart were you trading on Crude? And there is your first trade. On Spotlight. There's your next trade on Spotlight, actually. First one would have been a loss of 23 times 2 positions, 46 ticks. And that trade cancels. Two closes above the balance line. And there's a blue trade. Diamond level at 87.87. And that did just trigger in. All right, looks like 377 tick out on the trailer at 87.67 on that little pullback from an entry at 86.96. So 71 ticks on the trailer to go along with 50 on target. 121 ticks at $10 a tick. 377 tick getting it done today. So the spotlight chart being the laggard today. Sorry to say, I assume you, Claude, you were just running a single position to, where did you come up with 42? And I've got a much bigger trade than that on the purple trade. My 377 tick gave me a 50 tick target 2 and trailed all the way up to 87.67. Okay, yeah, you took one contract, but you had a slightly different trade on your chart then than mine if you only had 42 ticks to target 2, since I had 50. Are you, I take it you're on TradeStation then, Claude? All right, just watching to see where Crude on Spotlight goes. Okay, that's reasonable. Previous high 15 minutes before. Wouldn't give that 15 minutes before. Okay, that's just 2 minutes. Oh, okay, yeah, you got 8. I've got the session high at 87.02 and 90. Yeah, I've got 96 as the entry. Yeah, session high was back at, yeah, 20, 20 odd minutes. Then you had another one, yeah, at 98. All right, not much else going on. Still waiting for I wasn't watching for that stop and reverse there at 77. Actually, that should be 74. So we got target 1. $14 ticks and should be 1 on the break even. 15. We went from 87 to 74 was 13.26. So we're down 11. We got one more trade that we can take. And there it is. Triggering in. I actually like the way that's set up with the stop just down below the 50 there. Moving averages are broken all the time, but it's definitely nice to have something like a 50 EMA, hopefully for providing some support just above your stop. All right, questions or comments? Slow progression on this one. $12 and $20, so 32 ticks on this if we get both targets. And a 22 tick risk. And you're quite most welcome, Pamela. Actually, we shouldn't be taking this trade because that was trade number 3. This is the 4th trade. I keep not counting this short. It was a full loss. So we actually should have ended up down 57. But we'll let this one play out, I think. They're already half an hour in. Testing the 50 EMA. The longer it hangs around the 50, the more chance it's going to break through. And now pushing through a little bit. Stop at 59. All right, looks like we're down to 1. So I am going to call it a morning. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one, Miles. So I'm down to you. Okay. My diehards. Have a good one. We will see you tomorrow morning at 9:30.